Are you ready?
And in related news in San Andreas, Fault local LEGO enthusiasts are reporting strange phenomena in their builds. Structures are collapsing unexpectedly, and bricks seem to be rearranging themselves overnight. Could this be connected to the seismic activity
No.
experts
An
are working
earthquake?
tirelessly?
Here? This can't be happening. What do I do? What if the house collapses? I should pack a bag.
We've been tracking seismic activity here. Something big might happen soon. Let's get ready. Life in the town seems normal for now. Someone needs my help, you'll be back. Help. Oh, Spider-Man, hi. You came out of nowhere. Anyone there?
Saved ya. Yeah. Good luck on this major earthquake. I gotta leave out of San Andreas Fault. I gotta go pay my bills. See ya. Good luck.
I'm losing signal. Oh no, new copy Mayday. Hello. An earthquake is definitely happening right now.
Attention, a major earthquake is imminent. Please evacuate to safe zones immediately. Stay calm, we'll get everyone to safety.
Guys, wait, I left my keys on you.
Evacuate now, seek enclosed spaces for your lives.
Oh my god, Mr. Fighter, thank you. That building almost killed me.
It's fine. Just doing...
Honey, can you imagine if an earthquake were to hit us right now?
Stop, I would cry.
Lady, come with me if you want to live.
Please, okay, I will. I'm scared for my life.
Enter now. We don't have much time before the whole city collapses. Everyone we know is probably dead.
Boy, come here. Come on, boy.